Hi guys, Dre here. I was talking to some of you the other night about how snow deprived you feel and how much you wish that you could have a big snowstorm. And so since we are about to start having a blizzard, I thought I'd share it with you so you can be snowed in with me. The snow started, it's like about noon right now. The snow started probably about 2 hours ago when I was out at the grocery store getting my Coke and my milk and, killing grandma to get the last loaf of bread and, not really, but maybe. I did get the last loaf of bread though. So, I thought I'd share with you the first few flakes and, we are expected to get, they were saying last night that we're supposed to get between 16 and 24 inches of snow. But they've upped it, so I've heard that it might be up to 30. So we're going to be snowed in for a while. And guess that's it. Bye. Okay guys, we are on my patio and it's around 12:15 and the snow has started and you can see we already have some snow on the ground from the last snowstorm. It was on Tuesday night and hasn't fully melted. So there's the snow from Tuesday, and here is the active snow. And yeah, it's kind of cold. I am out here in just a t-shirt and bare feet. So I'm gonna go inside now, and I will talk to you later.